khanye ukuze kulunge soze kulunge kungonakelanga. I'm not a problem causer, I'm a problem solver. I do not cause problems, I solve them. Everything I touch turns out to be gold. Even point knows I'm always on. I don't even bother doing it at all if I won't do it proper. Tigile khale njame sekga se thabe ka bakalaka o bete ge swabe se swaye ke tshwere go ipose ntwana o pose re tlopoka one day jalo ka ntate le nna ke tana ke nthomphola le khale
kanje liyadanisa ndinethemba bale life yam ngizehlanganisa jwang kapa jwang zehlanganisa thunqembe okwekhalanda